There's something incredibly simple, yet powerful, about how you start your morning. And one of the oldest wellness rituals out there? Drinking a glass of warm lemon water. It's not a trend, it's not a miracle. It's just one of those quiet habits that builds a better foundation from the inside out. Lemon water is exactly what it sounds like. Fresh squeezed lemon juice, usually in warm or room temperature water. It's refreshing, it's hydrating. And when done consistently in the morning, it can support your body in so many subtle but powerful ways. Here are the top 7 benefits of starting your day with lemon water. Hydration boost. After 7 to 8 hours of sleep, your body wakes up dehydrated. Starting with lemon water gives you an early hydration hit, supporting energy, digestion, and focus. Gentle digestion support. Lemon water can help wake up your digestive system. It may stimulate stomach acid, bile production, and help food move more easily through your system. Vitamin C for immune support. Lemons are rich in vitamin C, an antioxidant that supports immune function and skin health. Alkalizing effect. Though lemons are acidic in nature, they have an alkalizing effect once metabolized, which some wellness experts believe helps balance the body's pH. Skin health glow up. Hydration plus vitamin C equals a healthy recipe for clearer, brighter skin. Craving control. Drinking lemon water first thing can reduce morning sugar cravings, balance blood sugar, and support gentle weight management. Natural detox support. While your liver does the detoxing, lemon water supports the process, especially when paired with a clean diet and good habits. The key to getting results? Consistency, not perfection. You don't need to fast. You don't need to obsess. Just wake up, pour a glass of warm water, squeeze half a lemon, and drink slowly. Make it a moment, not a task. Pair it with a breath, a journal entry, or a few minutes of silence. Wellness starts with awareness. If you're already into natural wellness, you'll notice that small habits like this can ripple out into big results over time. And if you're looking to take it further, like building better gut health, immunity, or energy, I've put together a short guide on a few things I use daily that go beyond lemon water. It's free, and you'll find it below. Because sometimes it just takes one shift to start feeling better. Want my simple wellness morning checklist? Grab it in the link below. Drop a comment if you already drink lemon water or want to start. Subscribe for simple, grounded wellness tips that fit real life.